Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I know I look like a rat. It's okay, don't remind me. I'm about to look like Charli AMELIO. Today I'm doing something super exciting, and for me it's kind of scary because I've never done a video like this. I'm hopping on the old trend of like becoming blank for a day or being blank for a day. I never really knew how I wanted to do, but I wanted to do Charli AMELIO. So here I am. I love coffee. I love to dance even though I literally suck at it. So I came up with this idea because I saw that someone was posting about what coffee she drinks. I was like, you know what? I want to try that coffee. I'm in love with coffee. Let's try that coffee. And the closest Dunkin, let me look to be honest with y'all. So far, the closest one I found is 30 minutes. So if you can see that, I live down here in a very small town, and then Houston is actually pretty filled with them. Dang, that's kind of crazy. The one I'm going to is 29 minutes. That's actually not bad. That's actually pretty good. So if you don't know who Charli is, you literally probably are not on TikTok. So first, I'm actually gonna start with my makeup, do something very, very light. So she does very light makeup. Her eyebrows are snatched and her hair is always straightened. I'm gonna just go to my mom's room and straighten it real quick and I'll be right back. Bam, brother. All right, so I straightened my hair. It's way longer than Charli's, but I'm not gonna cut it, so sorry about it. I'm just gonna put a little bit of makeup on because my face is very red and hers is perfect. It's a finishing touch. Now we're gonna change into one of her outfits. I'm gonna show you the one I picked out. It's very simple. It's literally this. Can you see? Yes, you can see. So I have a black crop top. I have a belly. It won't look as good, but you know, it don't even matter. Then I'm gonna get some like light washed, medium washed jeans, and then my white, what are they, Adidas? Yeah, that's what we're wearing. I'm just gonna bang, boys. All right, this doesn't even look anything like hers because hers went way up here, but my pants actually are high-rise, and high-waisted, and I didn't even know that. So you kind of get the idea. Okay, so Charli is actually, I don't even think she's old enough to drive. But I am. So I'm gonna make my Dunkin' order. I need to put my card in, so we're gonna do that. She orders a, where's it at? Iced drink, cold brew with whole milk. Where's it at? Dairy. Whole milk with caramel. There we go. Whole milk with caramel. Should we get a large? I feel like she would get a large. That's the thing. It's literally 20 cents more to get a large. I'm getting a large because hopefully I like it. I'm here. Let's see what we have here. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm gonna like pull over. Okay, ladies and gents. I got Dunkin'. Oh my god, that's so weird. Okay, so like I said, it's a cold brew coffee large with whole milk and caramel swirl. Oh my god, I'm nervous. And then I also got a, oh, hi there. I also got a donut. It's an old-fashioned one. I saw like pictures of like people like this. I'm gonna try the donut first. It's actually really good. Now, that's actually really good. Okay, now it's time for the actual coffee. I'm scared. Oh shoot, bro. What the heck? Okay, I'm not a fan of Starbucks coffee at all. This is so good. I literally love coffee so much. And with the donut, this is so good. Oh my god. And it was only $3. Okay, so I'm gonna go to Charli's account and find one that she already did. I cannot. Maybe one without movement. Okay, I'm done. I think I made 2 TikToks and insert them now.
Oh my gosh, you guys are twins!
We're actually not twins, we're sisters.
But you guys literally talk at the exact same time.
What? No, we don't.
And you have the same moves.
What? That's so crazy.
I'm really confused right now.
Why?
I don't know what's happening here. So, I don't know if y'all know, but me, Charli d'Amelio, has just reached 51.5 million on YouTube. She's actually way more humble than what I just put out there, but oh, kind of cute. So, I am making a cake. So, they make cakes a lot in their family. Me and my family make a lot of cakes. So, we're about to make a cake. The thing is, me, Brianna Garcia, sucks at making cakes. No matter how much of this stuff that I put on here, the like Baker Joy Easy Bake, this does not help. So, and I don't want to make a bundt cake because I always end up making I always make cupcakes because I know how to make those. Oh my god, that's blinding me. Okay, my light just came on. Thanks, brother. So no matter how much of this stuff that I put on there, it never freaking works. It's gonna work today. Ew. Okay, we have sugar-free chocolate cake. I don't know about that. Idiot, bro! What the frick? Bro! Oh my gosh, why am I like this? My gosh. I knew it! I knew we had it! I knew I wasn't an idiot. Well, that's not what I knew, but I knew we had it. Like, I knew we just had to. I found some. Oh, I'm sorry for being so dramatic, but it was breaking my heart not having it. Okay, let's see. Do we have water? Yes. Do we have a cup of oil? Yes. Do we have 3 eggs? Yes, we have 3 eggs. This is gonna turn out so good. I'm so happy now. Okay, we're gonna use this pan. So we're gonna cut and pour. Ah! 1 1/4. Now, half a cup of oil. We have vegetable oil, Kroger brand. Awesome. Okay, like a pinch over, but like that's okay. Now for our eggs. We're gonna do it this way. Put that there. Crack. Oh yeah. Oh, I didn't wash my hands. Okay. I want to drink all that, like this. I have this much left. I've been trying to slow down so I can have it throughout the video, but I might just have to end up making my own. So I think that's everything. I might have to ask my mom to help me with this part. Oh, just kidding. Oh wait, I need this thing. Ah. All right, there's like one that goes a certain place. This thing goes over here. Is it in? Okay, it's in. Sorry for the noise. Oh. Oh yeah. Ooh, 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 too fast. Okay, set oven. Dang it, I never set the oven. So, we're about to make Charli d'Amelio merch. Okay, Charli d'Amelio official shop. Let's see. This one. And my plan, because I don't want to ruin one of my hoodies, is I'm going to draw it out on, I'm going to move this. I'm going to draw it. Oh my god, why is this so dirty? Alright. I have my utensils, writing utensils, some paper, which I grabbed too much of, and a jacket. So this is actually my friend's jacket. She left it here, but she never asked for it back, and I never really thought about it until I saw it just now. But I love you, I really do, but I am making a video for Charli. Okay, you still go lay down, but I'll play with you whenever I'm done with this. Okay. So, it's a cup. Can't be that hard. So, like that. Like that. Ooh. Starting off strong, boys. Alright, and then it's like, comes down like that, and like that. And it's like a circle. Okay, and people that may think I'm not trying, like I don't know how to draw at all. Okay, I'm restarting this because look at this. Let's try it again. So here. Okay, that's pretty good. Now let's go slightly down. Get out of my way. Slightly down, and then we're gonna go a curve at the end, and then another curve. Okay, so this is what I have so far. Cute little cup, kind of looks like a jar. Should I make it skinnier? No, this is a good one. I feel like this is actually kind of good. Okay, now we're gonna go in with ice. Update. Okay, the thing is, she has a pink straw going through it. I feel like they covered it up on purpose so no one can steal it. Great idea. Love it. Okay, that low-key don't even look that bad, let's be honest. Like, that's kind of cute. Okay, I finished cutting it out. Is that cute or is it not? I think it is. And then there's this fat one. This looks like a beaker. This is actually kind of good. Let's not freaking lie. I know, but that's what I was saying. Like, it's actually good for once. Can you believe that? So now I'm going to write Charli really cute on here. I'm gonna try to write it really cute on here. Okay, let's see. Okay, now the H is pretty cute. It's like, oh, it's my AC. I was like, oh my god, someone's here. Okay, so this is my Charli. Do you like it? You do? Thank you. That's really sweet. Okay, I'm thinking maybe put it underneath. Let me show you. That'd be kind of cute, right? Coffee right here. And my new merch. Woo! I'm just really flexible. I promise I'm not a dancer. As if you were like claiming to be one. Also, my cake came out. Let's go get it. Looks like. Okay, hang on. Let me get a toothpick. Boom. Not bad, not bad. Okay, I'm actually about to just take off my nails that I have on. My friend did them. They don't look bad, just some of them are already peeling. Kind of a nail artiste person. I have this thing, which is like a drill with like bits and stuff. Today, we are using my gel nail polishes, white and black.
I'm always tip top when they say I'm not hot. All these lies need to stop, cause I'm icy, wifey. Haters wanna fight me.
20 hours later, literally feels like it. What time is it? It's 1:47. I think I started this around like 1. So I finally took them off. Dang, that's crazy. I tried to smoothen them as much as I can. There's like this, oh, it's right here. Okay, I have a certain tool that actually helps me. Pink, white, and then shine. Start over again. Blue, pink, white, shine. I'm gonna do my base coat first. Avi. I need to do homework tonight. I don't know about y'all, and I don't know about you, Charli, but I have college oh, you don't have college finals, but you may have finals coming up. I don't know. It's all different where people live. I have college finals coming up. The amount of stress that is inside my gut right now is scary. And me not doing anything about it, like, I'm gonna be up all night tonight doing homework. But I'm actually in the mood to do homework right now. I think that's why I'm tired, because I'm not doing homework. If I was doing homework, I'd be like on a roll right now. Okay, I think that's good. Now we're gonna go in with white. I'm nervous. I don't know why I'm so nervous. This middle finger is not working out well at all, but it's okay. Time for the second layer. It's not even that bad. After this coat, I'm gonna go in with black. This is what it looks like! Oh my god, I'm literally in love. I don't like this one. Hang on, should I do something else with this one? That's cute. Okay, let's try to dry them. Okay, everybody, so I finished my nails. Super cute. This one's worse than this one. This one's kind of good. But I finished my cake, or I haven't yet. I'm gonna go finish it. But here's the final picture. Alright, everyone, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below your TikTok, because I literally am obsessed with TikTok and I want to check y'all out. So this video was literally so much fun to film. I got to paint my nails how I wanted. I got to try Dunkin, which I wanted to do so bad. Really, this video was an excuse to try Dunkin. And I love my merch. If you want to buy my merch, shoot me an Instagram. I'll pay you. I'll get you a really good one. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you're new here, subscribe. I'm literally so cool. So I will see you next time. Thank you for being here. Peace.